com, and we've got a I think it's a 15 box, maybe a 16 box of basketball break. We got 6 cellos for Hoops Premium. That's half of a big box. We got a Hoops Premium hanger. We got a mosaic. We got 2 boxes of Origins from 2021. And we got 2 boxes of Court Kings. We also got a box of NBA Hoops T-Mall and a box of Donruss T-Mall. And then we got, hey, thank you very much, Brent. Love you, bro. A box of 2021 Revolution Chinese New Year. Let's knock out some of the older stuff. And we're going to go with East and West for the hits. I'm going to probably make stacks up there. So it's pretty easy to do. We got Silver Steven Adams. Kyle Lowry. And Grant Williams. Alrighty, and here's the ones that are going to be hidden. So, relief breaker means that Kiwi would come in and he would break a box out of this, and the person who redeems it would change it up. Yeah, it's definitely a collector's box, B Soldier. So we got Langston Galloway for the East. Thank you for the bits, MC. Casual. So East. And then we got, nice, my man, De'Aaron Fox, baby. Hit for the West. And then we got another hit for the West for the Warriors. No, I didn't, Willie. When was it? No one told me about it yet. You're the first person to mention it. Oh, let's go. Ja Morant, I'm on my Grizzly. Very nice. Ja Tribute. Pokey Harb. We got Silver George Hill. Oh, yeah, casual. Harry Giles Blue Prism. B-Chab, you the man, bro. All right, 2 more spots left in there. Guys, go grab that Pokemon. That Pokemon's going to be so amazing. I can't wait till we get an alt art out of there. So Romeo Langford is going to be hit for the East. Going to Woody. Nice. Chris Middleton for the Bucks. Going to the East. And Josh Richardson. Another one for the East. Oh, my bad. Yep. Appreciate it. It was Warriors. Tommy, this week I think we're going to be Thursday, Saturday, Monday. This is it right here, B-Chap. I'm going to be doing like some bundles. And nice silver Nickeil Alexander-Walker for the Pels. And I got a personal baseball box. I don't have any more Marvel cards, Kawhi. I used to have Marvel Flair. But I do want to get some of the metal stuff. That looks pretty sick. We are getting Game of Thrones. I got a case of Game of Thrones coming in. People have been wanting to do boxes of that too. Oh, you all can put it in here, Willie. Yeah, I got a couple bundles in a personal box we each have, and then once we fill it, we'll rip it. Bro, I can't. I really want to rip some Kawhi. That Blue Prism KD is sick casual. All right, we got Damo tribute for the Blazers. That one is going to be for the West. And then also Twan is getting a Devin Booker for the West. Sorry. And then the Mavs, Pokey Harb, another one for the West. There you go. Yeah, and I'll click it and watch it here in a sec. I'll just watch it right now. It'll play. Oh, God. Oh, my goodness. He did do a double jump. That's glitchy. So we were thinking about doing it by pack cap. Like, if somebody wants to, I think it's like 6 packs in the box. So we were going to do a pack draft, or if like 3 people want to split a box, 2 people want to split a box, you know what I'm saying? We can split them up and give them 2 packs each, 3 packs each, stuff like that. PC boxes, if you want to rip your own box yourself. Nice. Allen Iverson. But like Brent and everybody and Cletus were going crazy over it, so I made a... No. It should be coming this week, Kawhi. It should be on its way. The holiday messed up the shipping, and it'll be coming up this week. All right, we got Bruno Fernando for the Hawks, Silver Scope, and Giannis courtside. And we got Jordan McLaughlin for the T-Wolves. Another one for the West. One of Steve. And then this one is still Wizards hit for John Wall, so that'll be East. And one of the greatest 6-man of all time, Lou Will. I think Lou Will's top 3, right? Maybe top 4. Manu, Jamal, Lamar, and Lou Will. I think Skip probably as well. I love me some Skip, bro. Nice. Rui rookie. Yeah, I think Jameer Nelson ruined Skip's title. Nico, Deadman. We got Tristan Thompson, silver. Manu, JC, Lou. Yeah, Phoenix. What about Lamar Odom, though? You think Lamar's better than either one of them? Oh, nice. Let's go. Blue Prism, Tyler Hero going for Pokey Harb. That's nice. Another one. I for real think Lamar might be 4, though. Another Suns. This is a Ty Jerome rookie. Going to 12 number 1. Robert Horry. Robert Horry's really good. That's a good ring to throw into the hat to throw into the ring. I don't know. Good suggestion, Matty Ice. Andre Roberson, West. And Clay Day. Let's go, baby. Clay for Goofy. Another West. All right, last pack of Hoops Premium Cellos. Then we get to the hangers. Yeah, you're probably right. Oh, nice. Zion rookie. Going to Pokey Harb. All right, Kendrick Nunn rookie. Yeah, they are. They do it on purpose, MC. They do it on purpose, man. They started valuing basketball cards way more than other ones, and they lower the amount of autographs. Like if you look at older products compared to now, they've definitely done it on purpose. Silver Larry Legend going to Woody. Green Prism Marvin Bagley. This was the main reason why we started marking hits using the exclusive parallels, because there's only like 6 guaranteed auto, no, 2, 4, 6, 8 guaranteed hits, and 4 of them are autos. So yeah, I know, but it's not fun. Anthony Davis for the Lakers, other one for the West. That's gonna go to Miles. And then we got Mitchell Robinson for the Knicks. Going to the East. And we got a Nets hit for casual. Also going to the East. There you go. Alright, let's check out the Hoops Premium Hanger. We're looking for purple disco. This is what we're marking for hits and counting for our prediction. Silver Julius Randle lights camera action. Damn, another Zion. Let's go. Top load that. The Anthony Davis. And we got a DeAndre Hunter variation rookie. Very nice, Woody. And we got a silver Tyler Hero. Another one for Woody. Sorry, Pokey Harb. The Hawks was for Woody. This one is for Pokey Harb. Got the blue and now the silver. We got green Quinn Cook. We got a New Orleans hit. And what do you know? Look at that. Purple disco Zion Williamson. Very nice. That is sick right there. Another one for the West. And another one for New Orleans. Nikhil Alexander Walker. And then, one for the East. Pokey Harb on the Heat. Finally, even though Heat been getting some bangers. East right there. And another West hit. Dame Dollar. Mosaic hangers. Looking for the orange reactives. All right, we got Super Russ. Give and go. Got McCollum, got game. Quindary, Kendrick Nunn, NBA debut. Tyus Jones. Nice. Siku. That is very nice. Silver mosaic. Siku Dumboya. Weedem Boya. LJ, what's up, baby? LJ, you trying to get into Pokey tonight, bro? Got a mixer with 2 spots left. All right, hits are going to be for the Kings. Going to the West. So, yes, I mean, technically, I understand, yeah. I wouldn't rank him, but I mean, I don't know. It's tough. Kings right there, and we got East, Kevin Knox. Another one for the Knicks. We got JJ for the Pels. Oh, 1 spot left. Oh, let's go. That's a West hit and another West hit for Seth Curry and the Mavs. But good argument, though. I like it. I like that we're bringing stuff up like that. All right, so we got 2 T-Mall parallels per pack that are going to be hits. What do y'all think the Sixers should do this offseason? So I'm gonna use your boys' quote, man. Trust the process, man. Just hold on to your boy. We got Stu, Pat. Just give him a chance. Coro. And then we got, ooh, nice, Jaren Jackson going to the West for the Grizz. So Pokey Hard getting that one. I don't think we should trade Simmons. I don't think you should trade Simmons. I think you should believe in him. He may have the yips, but I mean, they traded Markel when he had the yips. That's my boy right here. Love me some Cassius Stanley. I was going to go to Woody, number to 99. East hit right there. Precious, we got next. Oh, nice. More spark plugs. Kendrick Nunn. We got Otto and Inglis. So 2 more hits. This one's going to go to Miles. It's going to be West. And this one is going to go to Pokey Harb for the Bulls. And it's going to be East. He said Simmons is a... Oh, nice. We got to say Anthony Edwards back there. Okay, we got Onyeka we got next. Now playing... Oh, let's go. Very nice. Are these called like Hoops Magazine or something like that? Or Rookie Special, that's what it was. I knew, like, I love the fact they have the little barcode on there. That's sick. Yeah, all the cards, Miles. Everything you see me open, stack, everything, we're all shipping. Beef Stew rookie. We got Udoka. And we got number to 99, Vooch for the Magic City Edition. Going to Goofy. East hit right there. West hit right there. No giveaways today, April. Sorry. Poku. Very nice. First message ever. Is there a giveaway? I love those people. Oh, nice. Look at that. Desmond Bain hollow and a Coro. Love me some Christian Wood. We got Pascal and Davis Bertans. So Wizards getting that one. That's an East hit. And then Warriors getting that one. It's a West hit. Caleb Martin, another Precious, rated rookie. Yeah, Origins is going to be last. I'm going to do, I always do Court Kings Origins, Court Kings Origins. Last time, I think it's the way I did it last time. The first time I did Court Kings last, because I love me some Court Kings. Double Rockets hit for Steve Covington and Daniel House, a.k.a. Little LeBron. LeBron clone. Yeah, these are the team off from Donruss, bro. The top, man, the explosion parallels are so sick, MC. And they can be low numbered too, in different colors. Cold World, baby. And we got Tyrese, rated rookie. Oh, yeah, you're good. Appreciate it. West. We got more Rockets, James Harden, and Josh Green. I think West is successfully dominating this. Mavs, and more for Steve for the Rockets. Yeah, I'm not a disco guy, but there's a lot of other ones that I do like. Nice. Another Isaac and a Wiseman. Very nice. Wiseman rated rookie. We got Kimba, and we got Drew. So we got West and the East. For the Celtics, going to Woody. And this one is going to go to Pokey Harb in the West. Skylar May, Saban Lee. Jarrett Culver and Spencer Dinwiddie. So we got Spencer in the East for casual. And Culver in the West for Steve. All right. One hit per pack for these. We're doing the cracked ice is going to be our hits for Revolution's Chinese New Year. The Revo Chinese New Year looks so sick. Nice. Nico Mannion for the Warriors. Chris, Kyle, AD, Neesmith, and John Collins. The East. Nice beef stew, baby. There you go, casual. Isaiah Stewart. The East. Bagley, Tobias, Christian. We got Precious. And we got RJ. Another one for the East. Going with the Knicks. Let's leave this Precious rookie. Bro, they're going to be loaded if they take Cade. They're going to be loaded. Uh-oh. We got a numbered one. Number to 88, Goran Dragic. That one is going to go to Pokey Harb. We go Horter, Booker, Isaac, and Buddy Hield for the Kings. West, core rookie. It wouldn't be terrible at all, would he? Because you'd be getting drafted. You'd be able to play in the NBA. You'd get paid millions of dollars. Dang. That's actually fucking amazing to get drafted by Detroit. I love it. Devontae, LaMarcus, Ingram, Devin. Nice. Joel. I bet Darko has so much money too. Joel for the East. Nice. Tyrese Maxey. There we go. Another one for the East. Going to Frisbee. Back-to-back Sixers. Exactly. Exactly, MC. Dude's a legend in his own time. Trey Jones. And we got Bam Adebayo. East is on a run for this box. I think only 2 hits have been for the West so far. Got 2 more packs. RJ, Buddy, DeMar, Dame. Another East hit. Pascal Siakam. There you go, Goofy. Getting a Raptors hit. All right, last New Year pack. Big game James. James Harden. The West. All right. Staggering these last 4. There's only 2 hits in each box. The auto and the jersey. We go Court Kings, Origins. Court Kings, Origins. Good luck, guys. All right, LJ, as soon as I get done with this, I got you, bud. All right, we got work in progress. RJ Hampton. Very nice for Pokey Harb. Nice. Throwback David Robinson. Points in the paint. That's a good pick. Look at that, Phoenix. You know what's crazy is zoom in. That looks like Horace Grant on the Sonics. I never knew Horace Grant played for the Sonics. Rookies 2, Killian Hayes. And we got Jalen Smith, rookies 1. Eli, let's go. What's up, Eli? How's it going, buddy? Thank you for the 31 months, man. We get some hype in the chat from my boy Eli's 31 months. We got some new emotes. Put in some he's trying in there. Put in some booms and some shrugs in there. Appreciate it. We got Tyler. That looks cool. Drew, Russ, and Beal. Beal's number to 99. And we got a Tyrese. Let's go. Art Nouveau. Tyrese Halliburton going to Casual Scrubs. And this is a guaranteed NBA champion this year. Number to 49 for the Bucks. Torrey Craig. The only man guaranteed to get a title this year. Double West hit right there. All right, Origins coming up. Okay, all right, cool. Gonna go Middleton, Draymond, LaMarcus, De'Aaron, nice. DeAndre Ayton, number to 60. And then we got a Nico Mannion auto going to Goofy. And then for the Mavs, we got Pokey Harb getting a Josh Green to 10. Look at that nasty patch. Josh Green, very nice. Double West there as well. 3-color patch auto. Damn, very nice box there. Yeah, I know, right, Neo? I was like, bro, is that Horace Grant on the Sonics? That's wild, bro. Okay, J Train. Okay. All right, points in the paint. There we go. DeAndre Ayton. All right, and then we got Maestro's Karl Anthony Towns. And we got Rookies 2, Kier Lewis Jr., Roll Tide. And we got Emmanuel Quickly, Rookies 1. I know, right, B Soldier? All right, we got Colin. We got Jaylen Brown. Devin Booker. Playoff P. That one is numbered to 149, red parallel. And there we go. We got it. Art Nouveau, LaMelo Ball. Going to Frisbee. There we go. For the East. And Impressionist Ink, Josh Hart. Number to 99. Going to New Orleans. Pokey Harb getting that one. West right there. I think West is dominating this one. Alrighty, last box. Come on. Let's see if we can get a walk off on a monster right here. Okay, we got a redemption. Ooh, we got a redemption. Jaylen Brown. Dono. Cole World, baby. James Harden. Middleton to 25. And Marcus Smart. We got Origins Relic Marcus Smart, number to 99. All right, rookie auto of. Let's go! What a walk-off. Yes, fucking go. LaMelo Ball. Origins auto for Frisbee to walk off. That's what I'm talking about. Get some hype in there, man. Good shit, bro. G effing G, and that'll be an East hit. Alrighty. Nice walk off. Grats, Frisbee. Alright, East hits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 24, 25, 26. I'm pretty sure Wes got that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 35 hits for the West. West pays out. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you.